Struggling to get your kids to eat their veggies? You're not alone. Most parents face this challenge. It's a universal struggle, a daily tug of war at the dinner table. But imagine a world where your little ones excitedly reach out for a plate of greens. Sounds too good to be true? Well, we're about to delve into 10 fun and creative ways that could transform your child's relationship with vegetables. Stay tuned to discover some exciting methods that will help you win this veggie battle. First up, make veggies fun. Let's transform the daunting task of eating veggies into a delightful experience for the little ones. How, you ask? Well, it's all about creative presentation. Picture this, a vibrant garden scene crafted entirely from vegetables. A carrot becomes a bright orange tree, broccoli florets turn into lush green bushes, and cherry tomatoes shine like little apples. Not only does this veggie art captivate their attention, but it also encourages them to interact with their food in a whole new way. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use vegetable cutters to create fun shapes. Imagine the joy your child will find in eating star-shaped cucumbers or heart-shaped pieces of bell pepper. These playful presentations can make eating veggies an adventure rather than a chore. Remember, the aim is to make veggies exciting and not a chore. Next, involve your kids in the cooking process. This is an excellent way to spark their interest in the food they eat, including those nutritious veggies. When children become part of creating their meals, they develop a sense of ownership and excitement about the outcome. Imagine your little one's joy after they've helped to wash, chop, and stir vegetables into a colorful stir-fry or salad. They're far more likely to be curious about the flavors they've helped create. They might even surprise you by munching on a carrot or cucumber slice while they're at it. Moreover, cooking together is an opportunity to educate children about the importance of a balanced diet. It's a practical lesson in nutrition, bringing those abstract health concepts to life right on the kitchen counter. Cooking together not only makes meals fun, but also creates wonderful family memories. So roll up your sleeves, put on those aprons, and let's get cooking. Ever thought of veggies in desserts? It's our third strategy. Now, we know what you're thinking. Vegetables in desserts sounds a bit outlandish, doesn't it? But hear us out. It's a delicious and sneaky way to get those greens into your child's diet. Let's start with the classics, like carrot cake. Sweet, moist, and packed full of nutritious carrots, it's a dessert that's been fooling us into eating our veggies for generations. But don't stop there. How about zucchini bread? It's another tasty treat that can be made even healthier with whole grain flour and reduced sugar. You can even experiment with unconventional options like beetroot chocolate cake or sweet potato brownies. They're deliciously deceptive, and your kids won't even realize they're eating vegetables. Plus, these desserts double up as a great conversation starter for teaching kids about the versatility of vegetables. Sweet treats with a healthy twist, the perfect combo. Our fourth tactic is using dips. Picture a platter of colorful, crisp veggies accompanied by a bowl of mouth-watering dip. Now, who can resist that? It's a fact that dips can make the experience of eating vegetables more enjoyable, especially for kids. Think about it, dipping is fun. Turning mealtime into a playful experience can take the pressure off and make eating veggies exciting. Plus, dips add an extra layer of flavor that can be customized to your child's liking. Whether it's a creamy hummus, a tangy ranch, a classic salsa, or a homemade cheese dip, the options are endless. It's all about finding that perfect blend of flavors that will make your child reach out for that carrot or broccoli. Remember, the goal is not to mask the taste of veggies, but to enhance it. So next time you serve veggies, don't forget the dip. Dips add an extra layer of flavor that kids love. Fifth on our list, grow your own veggies. Now this is where the real magic happens. There's something incredibly special about planting a tiny seed, watching it sprout and grow, and then finally harvesting the fruits or veggies of your labor. It's a journey that is full of anticipation and excitement, and one that children absolutely adore. When children are involved in the growing process, they develop a sense of ownership and pride in their veggies. This connection often translates into a willingness to taste and enjoy the veggies they have nurtured from seed to plate. Plus, gardening is not just about food. It's an outdoor activity that teaches patience, responsibility, and the wonder of nature. What's more, homegrown veggies are generally healthier and tastier, free from harmful pesticides and bursting with nutrients. So it's a win-win situation all around. Growing veggies can be a fun and educational activity for the entire family. Next up, veggie smoothies. Now this is a game changer. A smoothie is a great way to combine a variety of vegetables in a single serving. The sweet taste of fruits can mask the flavor of the vegetables, making it a clever tactic to get your little ones to eat their greens. Think spinach, kale, or even cucumbers. These veggies blend perfectly into a sweet, fruity smoothie without changing the taste significantly. Add in some yogurt or almond milk for a creamier texture and voila, you've got a nutrient-packed, delicious drink they won't be able to resist. Remember, the key is to start with a smaller amount of veggies and gradually increase it. This way, your kids will get used to the taste, and before they know it, they'll be drinking their veggies without a fuss. And there you have it. Smoothies are a quick, easy, and delicious way to get those veggies in. Our 7th method is all about hidden veggies. We all know kids can be suspicious of anything green on their plate. So why not make vegetables invisible? This is where our culinary creativity comes into play. Think about their favorite meals. Maybe it's spaghetti, pizza, or even mac and cheese. Now here's the trick. Blend the veggies into the sauces or grate them and mix into the dough. The veggies are there, but they're undercover, so to speak. Take carrots, for instance. When grated finely, they can easily blend into a tomato sauce for a pasta dish, or consider spinach. Blended and mixed into a cheesy sauce, it becomes a nutritious secret ingredient. This method is not about deceiving our kids, but rather, it's about making vegetables a natural part of their meals without a battle. Remember, the goal is to get those veggies in, no matter how you do it. 8th on our list, veggie pizza. Ah, the joy of pizza making, an activity that is both fun and delicious. A homemade pizza is not only a wonderful way to spend some quality time with your kids, but it's also an opportunity to sneak in those much-needed veggies. Start with a whole grain pizza base, add a fresh tomato sauce, and let the kids sprinkle on their favorite veggies. Bell peppers, mushrooms, spinach, cherry tomatoes, and olives can all make colorful and nutritious toppings. You can even experiment with less traditional choices like sweet corn or arugula. What's fantastic about veggie pizza is that it allows kids to see, touch, and understand what they're eating. They get to experience the textures and colors of the vegetables, and they'll be excited to taste their own creations. Remember, the goal isn't to hide the veggies, but to make them a star attraction. Who doesn't love pizza, especially when it's loaded with healthy toppings? Next, we have vegetable soups. There's something truly comforting about a warm bowl of soup, especially when it's packed with nutritious veggies. Vegetable soups can be a game changer in your quest to get kids to eat more greens. Think about it. You can blend a variety of vegetables into a smooth, creamy soup that not only tastes fantastic, but also hides the veggies well. Children who may turn their noses up at a plate of broccoli might not even realize they're eating it when it's blended into a tasty soup. From classic tomato and basil to more adventurous combinations like sweet potato and spinach, the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with flavors and textures, and even let your kids choose the veggies they want in their soup. This way, they feel involved in the process and more inclined to enjoy the result. Soups are comforting, delicious, and a great way to pack in those veggies. Last but not least, positive reinforcement. We've been through a variety of creative ways to get children to eat their vegetables, but let's not forget one of the most powerful tools at our disposal: praise. When a child takes a bite of broccoli or munches on a carrot stick, a simple "well done" can do wonders. This isn't just about celebrating the act of eating vegetables. It's about acknowledging their effort and bravery in trying something new or something they might not initially like. Think of it as watering a plant. Every drop of praise nourishes their confidence and their willingness to try again. It's not about creating a false sense of achievement, but rather fostering a sense of pride in making healthy choices. Remember, it's not just about the taste, it's about creating a positive association with healthy food. And who knows? Today's hesitant nibbler could be tomorrow's vegetable enthusiast. A little praise can go a long way in encouraging healthy eating habits. So there you have it, 10 fun and creative ways to get your kids to eat their veggies. We've explored everything from making veggies fun, involving kids in cooking, creating veggie desserts and dips, to growing your own veggies and even incorporating them in smoothies, pizzas, and soups. And let's not forget the power of positive reinforcement. It's your turn now to try these methods and make veggies an exciting part of your child's diet. Remember, it's all about making veggies fun and exciting. Good luck and happy veggie eating.
If you found this video helpful and packed with value, Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the good vibes flowing together.